Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FXOpen to TradingView in 2026. Now, in order to do this, first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, when you type tradingview.com, you will be landed on this type of page. So here, simply just click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you just have to log in if you haven't already. Now here, when you see this type of tabs here on the top, simply click on the option of products. After clicking on it, it is going to launch a default chart in front of you just like so. So when you are on this chart analysis page, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Then click on the option of show all brokers. Now when it shows you the list of all of the brokers that you can basically connect with your TradingView account, you need to look for FXOpen here. You can use the search bar on the top right hand corner as well. It will be very easy for you to find FXOpen this way. When you type FXOpen, you are able to find it here. When you click on it once, it will ask to connect your account with it. So click on the option of connect. Then it will open FXOpen in a new tab. Basically, you will be landed here on the login page of FXOpen. Over here, simply provide your login credentials associated with your FXOpen account. Before doing that, make sure that you select FXOpen Australia, United Kingdom, Europe or International. So if you are from any of these countries, simply select the FXOpen website of that particular country. If you are outside of these three countries, you can select the option of FXOpen International. Then provide your login credentials like email address and password. Then simply log in into your account. If prompted, you will also have to authenticate TradingView so that the connection could established successfully. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.